Hello all floor layers and carpet fitters, this is another staircase that we just fitted it today, and right now we're at the bottom steps, which is very awkward and big around right at the on the right side of it. So you can see this big massive step had to be done in one piece. I planned to put one extra piece all the way around, and then I thought I'm gonna just have a go if I can do it all in one, and here we go, it's done. So this is the other side. As you can see, all I've got to do is now cut that and basically pin it all in with my beautiful cordless gun nail. So I had a massive piece of carpet here, just literally butted it there and pushed it right along there, tugged it all in, bit of spray as well to make sure it's getting hold of it, and as you can see underneath, so I just started cutting the curve just from here, and I had a massive piece of carpet left over here, so just like sliding it in like this, and got it all in, and there we go. It's looking really nice, and I just have to keep cutting that nice and round and then push it in and basically nail it all into the underneath of the step. Quite long, it's all the way there, all in one piece. Some people like to do a strip like that, but I just thought it's a bit difficult, but I'm going to get it all in one. Right, okay, I'm going to crack on, and hopefully I'll get the last bit done, and that's it.